Welcome back, 6th graders. Another great day in Minnesota Studies. Yesterday we were learning about technology and how when it changes over time, is it always better for us? So we're going to continue that discussion today, and I want to show you what I'm looking for in your assignment. So first of all, here's a couple things that I want to, oh, excuse me, looks like somebody's calling here. Hold on. Hello? No, I can't leave the room. This phone has a cord. No, I can't text you either. This phone doesn't text. Okay, bye-bye. Sorry about that. Anyways, what I wanted to do is show you an example of what I'm looking for. Oh, pardon me. Hello? No, I can't leave the room. I'm teaching. No, I can't text. This phone is 20 years old, see? Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye. Anyways, back to the expectations about what it is I'm looking for on this assignment. Oh, man. Oh, I don't want to answer this. I'm going to just put this directly to voicemail because, to be honest, rather it would be a lot more fun to play Lords Mobile, War Kingdom, instead of talk to this person. Okay, anyway, back to the lesson. All right, I have an example of what I'm looking for, and I just want to share that with you. Yesterday, we were looking at a few different posters, 5 different posters, and you're supposed to find specific artifacts on these posters and then write them down. So here's an example. This student wrote for Fort Snelling, Captain's Hat. So some of you chose that right over here, Captain's Hat. Shell bracelet, masks, beads. And then at the Laner Mammoth site, this person chose arrowhead. Since step 2 says circle the artifact you would like to investigate further, this person chose arrowhead. So make sure that you do that. Circle the one you want to investigate further. All right, next, what you need to do is put a picture of that artifact in box 1, and then in box 2, put a picture of a similar use type of item in box 2. And then you need to answer these questions. So for example, the spear point, its use is to hunt. Past or present? Well, it was used in the past and present, this kid says, for hunting, but mostly in the past. Why did you choose this artifact? This kid says, I live the sharpness and the effort put into making the arrowhead. I think he means I like the sharpness. How is this tool useful? He put for hunting so you don't die from starvation. Also defense, you could cut wood and make fire. What does this tool say about people that use it? They were good at survival. Now you're going to compare with a similar tool. So this kid's using an arrowhead. The use is hunting. How is it different? It's sharper and looks like there's less effort. It's more modern. Less effort to make it, he thinks. In what ways is the tool the same as the artifact? They're both used for hunting. They both have a pointy edge. What does this tool say about you? He thinks archery is cool. All right, moving on. Then what you're going to do is compare negative and positive impacts of this artifact. So negative, this kid said, it could be harmful if I was cut with it. Another, with other people, if they were not careful, others could get cut. For the environment, it was made of rock, so I don't know how harmful it would be. It kills many of the wildlife. And then the positive, he says, it could keep from starvation, could keep others from starvation. It was made from natural resource rock and rocks. So that is positive. All right, and then compare the modern artifact. So he says the negative is it's extremely sharp and could hurt me. It's extremely sharp, it could hurt others. It's made from metal, which could be bad for the environment. I mean, metal in of itself is not bad for the environment, but sometimes mining practices and accessing metals can be bad for the environment depending on how good the mine was. The good parts, it would help me hunt if I decide to someday. It's good for survival just in case. And it's not made of plastic. And plastic, of course, is difficult to biodegrade and does harm the environment. And then you're supposed to answer, how can you make a difference? This kid wrote, well, we can make a difference in how many injuries we have by being safer and not letting people who want to harm others and keep this out of reach of kids. Then step 7, discuss the original question. Write 1 or 2 sentences to answer the following questions. Is change in technology always better? Why or why not? This kid says, I think it depends. A change in technology could be good or bad. For example, in updating our phone technology, we are introduced to new features that make life simpler. But at the same time, all the social media apps are making it hard to have a real-life conversation with people outside of social media. Another example is that with weapons are a great tool involved to keep us safe from harmful threats, but they can also be used to cause many injuries and be harmful. So this is this student's reflection on is technology better? What are the pros and cons? And so that's what I want you to do as you complete this assignment. So I will be grading this. It will be going into student view. To get a 4, you need to have all of these completed. And I look forward to learning about your perspective. And if you're not sure about how are these harmful or not, talk to somebody about it, or you can ask me. So I hope you guys have a great day, and use this lesson to think about what are the advantages of technology. Is it always positive? Are there negative aspects? And how does it affect us? All right, have a great day, and have a great day.